Right. Thank you, Dad. Honorable Chief Guest, sir, Rahul sir, Karthik sir, the senior leadership of Tata Steel, our distinguished partners, our customers, our dealers, our suppliers, members of the press, members of the Tangi community, and the entire Sagar Business family. A few minutes ago, my father stood here and he spoke of a resolve, of 3 sankalps, of a sun that rose 15 years ago in Odisha and now is climbing higher. I stand here, and so do we all, as the inheritors of this sun. If my father has told you who we have been, allow me with humility to share with you who we are today and where we are headed. I can proudly say Sagar Business is no longer a steel distributor. Today we stand before you as an integrated steel construction and solutions company. Distribution, processing, fabrication, engineering, EPC. 400 plus dealers, a BIS certified lab, heavy fabrication, end-to-end execution. And last year's over 1 lakh ton processed and 750 crores of business across 4 states and multiple cities show this. But these are only numbers. They tell you what we did. They don't tell you what we do. What we do is we take the most fundamental material that this country produces, the backbone of everything, and we turn it into the spine of this country. We build that spine from 2 yards on the East Coast, one in Kharagpur and one in Cuttack. 2 yards, 1 backbone. And we supply across East India, so Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal. Wherever the country is being built, we are within a day's logistics journey away. And what do we build with it, you may ask? We build industry, junction houses, heater panels, conveyor galleries, power plant structures, the unseen scaffolding of every steel mill, every refinery, every power plant. We also build cities, stadiums, airports, footover bridges, market complexes, the bones of urban India. We also build monuments, the Billion Impressions, the Gopi Chand Badminton Academy, the Agni, the Diamond, the Rath. These are 3 faces of the same company: industry, cities, monuments. From the chutes that move ore to the monuments that move people, it's all one ecosystem. The man on this slide is perhaps the most consistent figure Indian sport has ever known. He wore this country's colors in 7 distinct roles: captain, keeper, finisher, mentor, coach, brand, legend. And so is this the theme of my presentation, that we have 2 sets of 7s. We are a one ecosystem with Tata Steel. We are distributors, channel partners, steel processing centers, solution partners, external processing units. We have an ARC with Nestin, and we also execute proof of concepts. 7 roles, 1 ecosystem, 1 Sagar Business. The same dependability in every layer. At the 7th layer, proof of concept, allow me to share with you one of the proofs like this. My father has already spoken about InQuick, so I'm going to let this slide go. But this was built in Cuttack and is standing in Sasaram. And when we say we build the future, we mean it. So India is moving beyond steel. It is moving into engineered systems. Someone has to build it, and we are. This is our future plan. So we intend to build lattice, girder, and decking systems, for which a POC has already been conducted. Solar mounting structures, because this country is heavily going to invest in solar power, and something has to hold that power up. a cold roll processing center for purlins, crash barriers, a bore pile cage center, which is going to be used in infrastructure, industry, housing, and commercial, fire safety systems, because that is an integral part of all sectors we touch, shipping containers, because we're going to start moving into the flat products processing centers. And with shipping containers come energy storage and its infrastructure. So before I close, I just wanted to say this wasn't a strategy slide. It was a status report, because our execution is already on the way. We are already on the journey. In 2021, we started the Kharagpur factory. In 23, we started the ready-built factory. In 2024, we started fabrication here. And in 2006, we already had the Superflex. So these aren't plans anymore. These are plants. 4 steps, 5 years, built on time, standing on the ground. Should anyone in this room have entered today wondering whether we can deliver, you have your answer. My father called this day Sankalp a vow. If a vow is a word, then steel is proof. We don't build promises. We build the things that hold them up. And with that, I'd like to say thank you. So sorry. May I now invite my younger brother Shaurya to continue with his presentation.